I never ever feel like this, that in my dream even, that it is such a fabulous journey.
My only regret is that I have not started this earlier.
The vibration was great. Beautiful pranayam sessions and yoga sessions.
Even after the chanting session today, it was like a transformative journey for me. I've never thought that the chanting would give me so much of a insightful experience and so much of calmness and peaceful feeling.
This is not just an health retreat, but it's a retreat about every aspect of our life.
Arohan 25 has really been a great opportunity, first of all, to connect with myself, because all that we went through, it was more of a self-reflection.
If you want to enjoy good health and good life and good relationships, this is the space.
Thank you, Arohan. Thank you, Badri sir. Thank you, CBH family.